Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Winter is here and it's time to indulge some warm and comforting treat. Today I am sharing with you a traditional Indian recipe that's perfect for the winter season, Ajwain Laddu. And exclusive family recipe revealed, my mother-in-law's secret Ajwain Laddu recipe in finally out. Get ready to impress your friend and family with this traditional winter treat. So, guys, get ready to indulge in a sweet and spicy delight that will keep you cozy all winter long. These bite-sized bowl of goodness are made with ajwain and ghee. Dry fruit are packed with nutrition and health benefit. Not only do they taste amazing, but they are also great for digestion and can help to keep you warm and cozy during the cold and winter month. So let's get started and make some delicious ajwain laddu. So guys, roast the ajwain in a pan until fragrant. Grind the roasted ajwain into a fine powder, or you can first remove the skin from the ajwain seeds, then sieve the seeds to separate them and from any impurities or debris. This will help you ensure that your ajwain laddu are smooth and even in texture. Add the ground ajwain to the mixture and stir well. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool slightly. Shape the mixture into small laddus, and that's it. Your delicious Ajwain Laddu are ready to enjoy and perfect for a cold winter day. These laddu are sure to warm your heat and soul. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. So guys, you are welcome. It was my pleasure to assist any provide information. If you have any more questions or need help with anything else, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative content. Have a great day guys. Till then, bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.